Hi guys, so here's how to write an article or a blog post using ChatGPT. So there are several steps to follow, but right here by the left you can see the first step is to generate a topic. Okay, so we have to tell ChatGPT to come up with a topic, but if you already have a topic, then you just move on to the second step. Okay, so right now let's generate a topic about any field. So for this example, let's talk about copywriting. Okay, so the instruction would be write blog post topics on copywriting. Okay, then click on enter, and then ChatGPT will come up with title ideas for your blog post. Okay, so that's the first step. Okay, right here you can see the power of storytelling in copywriting, the role of SEO in copywriting, how to write a copy that converts. These are very good topics. Okay, so let's just choose a random topic. Let's say how to write a copy that converts. Okay, very good. How to write a copy that converts. So right here we'll have to give ChatGPT the instruction to write the next part of the article, which is right here is the introduction. Okay, so if you already had a topic and you didn't do step 1, you can just input your topic right here in step 2. So say write a blog post introduction, a blog post introduction for number 3. Okay, so we're using number 3, which is how to write a copy that converts. But if you already have a topic, then instead of typing number 3, just write a blog post introduction for, and then you type in the topic you have. Okay, so once you've done that, click on enter, and then ChatGPT will come up with an introduction for your article. Okay, so let's see the introduction. Okay, this is very good. Okay, this is a very good copy. Okay, great. So right here you have the introduction, but if you don't like the introduction, then just right here you can see it says regenerate response, so you can just come up with additional responses or additional introductions. Okay, so right here the next thing to write is your H2s. Okay, so you just tell ChatGPT to write H2s for you. So type out write 3 ways, okay, or just say explain 3 ways. So the topic was how to write a copy that converts. So you say explain 3 ways to write a copy that converts. Okay, and click on enter, and then ChatGPT will come up with 3 H2s. So this is very easy to use. This is very good for your Fiverr gig, your Upwork gigs, your copywriting business. This is a 100% unique article that makes absolute sense, doesn't sound like it was gotten by an AI, and it's highly recommended for people that write a lot of articles per day. Okay, so right here we have 3 ways to write a copy that converts. Once you've done that, then if you want H3s, you can definitely tell ChatGPT to write H3s. For example, you can say write 3 tips for, so these were our H2s right here on the screen. So let's say for the first H2, which is use storytelling to engage your audience, you can just tell ChatGPT to write 3 tips for using storytelling to engage your audience. Okay, so then click on enter, and then ChatGPT will come up with three H3s under the first H1. So I really hope you're not confused. You can just use this to modify your output, get more outputs, and just write a really good article. So right here you have your H3s, so you can just open your Google Doc and copy these H3s and just put them under this H2 right here. Okay, so now we know how to write an introduction, your H2, your H3s, and we just have to write a conclusion. So you have to tell ChatGPT to write a conclusion. So we'll say write a conclusion paragraph. Okay, so that's the instruction, write a conclusion paragraph. Enter. So once you click on enter, ChatGPT would write a conclusion for your article, which it's amazing. It's amazing that in under 5 minutes we've been able to write a 500+ word article. So right here you have your conclusion, and if you don't like this conclusion, then just click right here where it says regenerate response, and then ChatGPT would write a new conclusion paragraph. Okay, so let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so in conclusion, copywriting is a powerful tool for business and marketers looking to engage and persuade your audience. This is very natural, and the English is so easy to understand and sounds very human-like. Okay, so this is exactly how you can write an article or a blog post with ChatGPT. It's very easy to use, very quick, and if you don't like any of the responses, you can just click on right here and you can generate a new response. Again, this is the third conclusion we're getting. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. In conclusion, effective copywriting is essential for businesses, marketers, and content creators who want to engage their audience and drive them to take action. Okay, this is a very natural and high quality content that you can use for your Fiverr gigs, your Upwork gigs. It's a very easy way to write those articles even if you're not a professional. Okay, so right here we've been able to write this article, which is about 500 words, in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so the next step now is just to copy this right here and then paste it in your Google Doc. Okay, right here you can see copy, so just copy that, open Google Docs, paste it into your Google Docs, and then do the same for all of these. And then once you're done, make sure you read through, and then make sure you use Grammarly. Use Grammarly to ensure that you have the right spellings, especially if you're writing in British English and ChatGPT is in American English. You have to ensure that you use Grammarly to cross-check your spellings. Thank you very much for watching this video on how to write a blog post with ChatGPT, and I'll see you in the next video.